Hello and welcome to the instructions for bound and unbound formats in the Reports or Information Processing 2100 course. If you are going to bind a book, and not just print a stack of pages off a home printer, maybe staple them in the corner, right? Not just hole punch, stick them in a binder, but if you actually have it bound, then what you want is a gutter margin, or an extra wide margin in the center of the book. So that's going to be on the right-hand side of even-numbered pages and on the left-hand side of odd-numbered pages. So we'll look at setting up the bound formats. Most text documents, word processors, use unbound formats by default. So the question is, how do we make a bound format? The answer in Google Docs is very simple and straightforward. You don't. This is not supported by Google Docs. The best thing that you could do to accommodate a bound format is to widen the margins on both left and right. It's not ideal, but it does get the job done. Microsoft Word doesn't do it in the web-based version. In the layout menu, we only have these options for page setup. So if we quickly capture the entire display so that we can see Microsoft Word in the desktop option, well, there we see our page setup has a few more choices to it. We can pop that open, and under the page, if we look under margins, the page margins for multiple pages instead of having the normal margins, you can go book fold. And as soon as we see that, it shifts us to landscape. So instead of printing on 8.5 by 11, it'll print 11 by 17, which can be folded in the middle. And the gutter position is automatically inside. You could go normal, and then we see the gutter is only left or top. You have to go to book fold to get a bound format book. And again, that is only the desktop version of Microsoft Word. Our third option, LaTeX. The way we have defined it, we told LaTeX that our document is a book, so it's automatic. This is something LaTeX will do without being told, as long as your document is a book. So you do have options to overrule that and to change the margins, but if you say it's a book rather than an article or anything else, this will happen automatically.